So before we have been connecting how to connect a server remotely, correct? How will connect a server remotely? Hello.
Go to run command, type mstsc,
Taking RTP, sir.
How will connect RDP?
Uh, Go to the run and switch for MSTSC.
Go to run and type switch for MSTSC.
Yes.
It's like a remote desktop connection. Okay. If you want to log in from a mobile, which app you need to install from Play Store?
RDP 8 something.
Yeah. RDC man. Right. There is a lot of apps available. Okay. So one from Microsoft is C. Simply go to MSTSC and connecting to this IP, it takes some time, right? Am I right or wrong? All the time?
yes, yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, no. So I want to
Yes.
save
Yes.
this file with my password. Okay. I will go to show options. I will use this one. Allow to save me the credentials. Then click on save as. Then I will keep in my desktop the name with some AD server. I can give any name. Okay. I will give AD server and click on save and click on connect. It will do first time, it will ask some options. Do not ask anything and click on connect. Internal error. Something. Okay. Connect an internal error occurred. I have some issues. Maybe saving to the desktop. So what you can try, you can save it on your laptop like this and click on connect. Okay. It won't throw you any errors, at least for you. Let me create in the temp. For me, there is some profile issues. Okay. Maybe there is some issues with my profile or something. This is connect. Okay. It's asking me a password now. So, for example, if you have getting an error, you need to see why. Okay. Simply cannot skip continuing the same error. Whether I can try in a different way or not, you need to see. Is it clear? ఏదైనా ఎర్రర్ వస్తే ఇంక వేరే విధంగా ఎలాగైనా ట్రై చేయాలని ఆలోచించాలి. ఆ ఇష్యూతోనే అలా ఉండిపోకూడదు. లేకపోతే యూ కెన్ స్కిప్ ఇట్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ గో ఇన్ ఏ డిఫరెంట్. Lost for a while. Let me reshare the screen. So, am I audible? Let me type the password. B eight one double two five. Okay. Remember. So see, when I'm saving into desktop, it's showing error. So I am trying in a different alternative path. Then what I will do, I will create a shortcut to my desktop. Is it connected? So once I have completed my work, I go to run and type log off. Right click on start menu, go to run and type log off, enter. So it will log off my session. So next thing what I can do is I can delete this anyway. It's I have created in temp direction. So let me go to MSTSC again. I need to connect to the SCCM server. What is the IP address of SCCM server? Hello.
104 dot
104.8 km 208.240. If it's already, when we click here, it will come as a display. మనం ఆల్రెడీ యూజ్
yes.
చేసిన ఐపీ అడ్రస్ మనకు వస్తుంది. సో అగైన్ షో మోర్ ఆప్షన్, సేమ్ యూజర్ నేమ్, allow to save my credentials, save as. If I try in my desktop, it's getting failed. So I'm trying in a different path. At least I'm going to the temp directory which has full permissions to me. So I'm giving the name as SCCM. Then click on save. Click on connect. Do not show this message again. Click on connect. So password. Caps lock is enabled. So ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు నేను ఇలా ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఒకసారి చేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఎప్పుడైతే నేను లాగిన్ అవుదాం అనుకుంటున్నానో ఆ ఫోల్డర్కి వెళ్ళి ఆ ఫైల్ మీద డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
అంటే ప్రతిసారి నేను యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ టైప్ చేసిన అవసరం లేదు. ప్రతిసారి నేను రన్ లోకి వెళ్ళి MSTSC టైప్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. వీ కెన్ సేవ్ సమ్ టైమ్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ వాట్ ఐమ్ సేయింగ్ టు యూ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
సో మనం చేసే ప్రతి పనిలో టైం అనేది తగ్గించుకోవాలి. సో సంబడీస్ ఆర్ యాక్టివ్, దే విల్ కిల్ ప్రసాద్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ. సో ఒక సర్వర్ లో ఇద్దరు మాత్రమే లాగిన్ అవ్వగలరు. ఓకేనా? సో నా పని అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి? రన్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్. ఓకే, కంప్లీటెడ్. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తాను? సో ఐ విల్ గో టు ద టెంప్ లొకేషన్, దిస్ పీసీ, షార్ట్ కట్ పెట్టుకుంటాను నా డెస్క్టాప్ కి టెంప్ ని. రైట్ క్లిక్, సెండ్ టు డెస్క్టాప్ షార్ట్ కట్. ఆ టెంప్ ఒక పేరు పెట్టుకుంటాను, RDP అని పేరు పెట్టుకుంటాను నేను. సో నెక్స్ట్ టైం నుంచి వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ, ఐ విల్ సింప్లీ గో టు RDP files, then if I click on AD, my AD server will be getting connected automatically without entering the username and password. If I minimize and if I double click on SCCM, it will take at least some time, depends upon your internet speed, because no, the servers are in Microsoft US data center. Okay, clear how to connect RDP, how to save these files?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so one more other important concepts would be discovery methods. Okay, discovery methods nothing but discovery methods are fetching the data from Active Directory to SCCM database. Active Directory discovery methods. SCCM Active Directory discovery methods can discover AD sites, subnets, users, groups, and computers that are stored in Active Directory. Is it clear how to create a users and how to create a groups in AD?
Yes, sir.
So what discovery methods are doing, whatever the objects which are present in AD, it will fetch from AD and keep it to SCCM. Is it clear? To discover information from AD, configuration manager requires a AD location that you specify and use the computer account or a site server account to run the Active Directory discovery methods. This is the what discovery method is. To discover possible CM client computers or users resources, you must enable appropriate discovery method. సో SCCM ఉంటుంది, మధ్యలో ప్రోటోకాల్ LDAP యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఏడీలో ఉన్న కంప్యూటర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్, యూజర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ మనం డిస్కవరీ ఎనేబుల్ చేస్తే ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ అన్ని SCCMకి వస్తాయి. విల్ సీ ఇన్ ప్రాక్టికల్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఏ బేసిక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్. హౌ మెనీ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ డిస్కవరీ మెథడ్స్ ఇన్ SCCM? There are 6 types of discovery methods available. One is Active Directory forest discovery, Active Directory group discovery, Active Directory system discovery, Active Directory user discovery, heartbeat discovery, and network discovery. Okay, is it clear about discovery methods? How many types?
6 types.
6 types. So most 4 starts with Active Directory, others heartbeat and network. There is one discovery by default, it is enabled. Okay, that is heartbeat discovery. So let's scroll down. If you see here in the screenshot, it will be in the administration. If you go to overview, hierarchy, configuration, discovery methods, if you see by default there is a discovery is enabled. It's also an interview question. What is the by default enabled discovery? Which method is enabled by default?
Heartbeat
Heartbeat.
Yeah, heartbeat
Heartbeat
discovery.
discovery.
Okay, it's also an interview question. So important components, this helps in the backend for communication. SMS provider, bits, LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, WMI, Windows Management Information, RDP. Okay. Then this is also very important entry question. What is SMS provider? SMS provider is a component which fits the data from SCCM database, that is nothing but SQL server to SCCM console. Okay. So you need to by heart these things. Then how is the communication flow? This is the communication flow. We will explain after the practical session. Okay. Okay, that's fine. We'll see it later. This part after this practical. Okay, let me. So yesterday I think we created some folders in AD. Am I right? What folders are created? Under India, we created Andhra Pradesh and some users. Is it? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes. So one second. So let me go to the Active Directory. Right. Yesterday we tried to create some users and groups. Am I correct here? I created some groups, group one, group two, and users, some computer objects. Is it clear about what is a user, what is a computer, what is a group now? Do you have any questions to ask on
Yes.
it? All. So I'll try to create one more folder here called something. I will try to create a new OU. The OU name would be, so any name. So or we could create a Pune state. I'm creating in Andhra Pradesh. So I'll create then India. So I will create state for. I will create a OU. Sorry, caps lock is on. So I created one OU. Is it clear how to create a OU? Right? Rightly create new OU. Okay. So I will create one in Pune. I will create one user called Ravi. Do we have Ravi account already? Or there? I'll uncheck and create the things here. I will create one group here with Ravi's name. The name would be ITC. ITC company. I will create one computer account for Ravi. So he's staying in Pune. So that I will try to start computer name with PUN. In company, no, the if you stays in India, Bangalore, the computer name will starts with BLR, and then your serial number 1 2 3 4 5 6. In such a way, the company they will allocate the computer name of the laptop. I just give the random name. I will try to create one more. If you are in other location, then they will create in such a way. 1 2 3 4 5 8. Something like the companies will create, because to segregate the thing, somebody will create only serial number. So it is very hectic to see the look where is the user from. Okay, if you give the site code something while creating, no, it's very easy. So I created one new OU. OU is nothing but a folder. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
I
Sir.
created one group, one two computers, one user. Okay. So what I want to do is I will go to the SCCM server now. So let me open the console. I kept a shortcut, so I will open from here.
Sir, can you please again tell me how to add users to the group?
Okay. So if we go to the AD, okay, I need to double click here, go to members, click on add, and then you can type any one digit character of the part of that particular name. For example, if you want to add a Mohan here, MO and check names. So starts with M, all users will come. You can select OK, then OK, that's it. You can add it in such a way. Clear?
Okay, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So in Pune users, okay, let me go to, I open SCCM console in SCCM server. I need to go to administration. I need to go to hierarchy configuration. I need to expand the hierarchy configuration. I can go to the discovery methods. What are the discovery method is enabled by default?
Bit
Heart,
discovery, ma'am.
Heartbeat discovery. Okay. So is it clear what is discovery method? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
discovery methods, it converts from SCCM.
So we have AD server, right? We have an SCCM server in a different box where we created users and computers. Users
Yeah,
AD users. Computers we cannot create. We can discuss computers differently, but we created groups, right? We created users and groups. Computers also created. We'll see, right? We created these three things using this
yes.
discovery methods. If we enable the discovery method in SCCM, it will go back to AD and will get the content and it will display in the SCCM server.
Okay.
Clear? What is discovery? Discovery channel, what they show? The new
Bringing
things
us the
in
unknown
all over
thing.
the world, right? Something.
Yes.
I'm not. Won't watch Discovery. Who watches better? They can explain. What Discovery channel is about?
It is
Discovering
all
the
about
new
showing the
things. Or
new things.
new things. Here also discovery method means you're fetching the particular. If you want to enable user discovery, you need to enable user. If you want to users from AD, you can enable user discovery.
User discovery.
If you want computers, you can get enable computer discovery. If you want groups, you need to enable
Group
group
discovery.
discovery. Okay. And again, you can enable the top domain or sub OUs. You cannot get all at a time, right? Let me collect. Is it clear about what is discovery? At least
Yes,
now,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
everyone.
Sure.
Any doubts? You want to re-explain something? Hello. Is it clear? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
So I want, okay, fine. So now, first I will try to enable the user discovery, okay? Because it is in our hands, okay? Because we created the users. Then we'll try to go to the group next, okay? If you want to enable any discovery, you need to simply go to the right click, go to the properties. Then you need to enable the discovery, user discovery, click mark, then click on add here, then click on browse. If I select here and click OK, all users will come. Is it clear what I'm saying to you?
Yes, sir.
If I select here and click OK, but I do not want to do it. I want to go to India. I want to go to only Pune location. I want to select OK. So what happens here? Who
Only
was,
Pune users will be located.
yeah, in that particular OU, ఆ OU లో ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఆ పర్టిక్యులర్ యూజర్స్ మాత్రమే SCCM లోకి వస్తారు. క్లియర్? ఎస్,
Yes,
నో?
sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
క్లిక్ ఓకే, క్లిక్
Okay.
అప్లై, క్లిక్ ఎస్, click OK. Then go to assets and complaints, go to user collections. Still it takes some time, okay? It takes 5 minutes, then you can refresh and you will see in under all users What are the username which we created in Pune just now?
Ravi.
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 Ravi, right?
Yes.
Ravi has to come into the particular all users collection. This is also collection. It's a all user collection. Okay. Let me refresh. So it takes some time, but each and everything has a log. We'll discuss it. Okay. If I want to open a logs, we'll do it at last. Okay. Let me open the log then. If I want to open the log, go to C drive, program files, configuration manager, and logs. I need to see AD user discovery.log.
Results.
If you see here, AD USR discovery.log. If you see, there are two files here. LO underscore means old file. The new one would be this one. Is it clear? What is the old and what is the new?
Yes, sir.
So only two files will be saved. If the data is more, that will be deleted and it will be renamed with this old file. Then I need to open this. So if I open, scroll to the end, I can see here, if you see, it's searching for Pune OU, right?
Yes, sir.
Then it's going information, sent message to database. It found the username Ram
Ravi.
underscore yeah, Ravi. How many objects are found? Count
Only
is
one object.
one. Sorry, this
Object.
found object
One
is
object.
one.
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 Yeah. So it's discovered. So if we go to SCCM console and refresh, it's still not updated. So we'll wait for some time. So log is updated. So it will come. Okay. Let's wait for few more minutes and then we can see at least in some time. Okay. If we want immediately, then we need to right click and do the update membership. That is not recommended. Okay. But in test lab, you can do it, but not in the production all the time. Let's leave it. It will come automatically. Is it clear about what is user discovery?
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes, sir.
we will go with a group discovery. In the same group, I think we will try to go with group discovery now. Okay. So I want to go to the right click, properties of the group discovery, enable the group discovery. Let me select the different OU now. Okay. Same OU would be fine, but let me take sorry, Hyderabad, no groups, CPM. So RCPM has two groups, one with Ganesh, one with Ramesh. Group name is Ramesh, username is Ganesh. Okay. So I will go here, enable the group discovery. You can select two options, either groups or location. I will go to the location. I will give some PM location name and then select the particular under India. Select under RCPM. We have created separate. There is RCPM. Okay. Okay. Apply. Yes. Okay. So monitor the log again. Go to the logs. The log name would be AD SG discovery means security group. This is the new log. If I open here, see it's domain. You need to check the timestamp. What is the current time on the server? 232. When the 232 is modified, we need to calculate from that particular time. See 232. Okay. Thread is started. It's connecting to AD. Then it's going somewhere. Fine. Scroll it down. If you see searching for a which group here? OU?
PM.
RCPM.
RCP.
Then if you still scroll down, something is going happening on. Yeah, again RCPM, and found some user principal number and the backend ID, and you
Mm.
can see where it is written.
Uh,
Yeah, but we need to see now. It's threading with group discovery. Starting a group discovery is created. See,
Object.
is the group name right? This is the group
Ram-
name, Ramesh.
Ramesh, right? Right.
We can compare again. Ramesh,
Mm.
Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh came. So how many groups found? One here, one group. Okay, let's minimize. Sorry, I'm on the same server. Need to open SCCM console. Go to assets and complaints. Go to see. I not done anything. There is one user already came, and even the group one came. So if I double click here, what is the username which we discovered?
Ravi.
Ravi. So I go back to the user collection. Go back to the all user groups. Ramesh.
Ramesh.
Clear about what is a user discovery and what is a group discovery? Yes,
Yes, sir.
no.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's try again with some more users who's let's say take Guntur, Vizag, Hyderabad. We have four users here. So try to enable the Hyderabad OU. If I want to next time, I can go to the user discovery, go to the properties. Okay. Simply click on add, browse, go to expand that location, select Hyderabad. Okay. Click on OK, apply. Okay. But it will take some time. Means why? If you go to the properties, by default, for first time only it will come immediately. Okay. The next time you can see the polling schedule. Means every 5 minutes it will try to contact to AD and will get the new objects. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If not, immediately, if you want, you need to right click, run the discovery. If you want immediately. If not, you need to wait for 5 minutes. For test being, I will open the log and run. This is my user discovery.log. I will go to the end. What is the timestamp? 2:35. Zero objects found. Before enabling, it's checked. See, 5 minutes, every 5 minutes. So I need to wait at least 5 minutes now, or I can right click, run. But this is in production, it is not recommended because no, every 5 minutes it will run. Because no, for think if you have 30,000 objects, if you right click and run, it will take some load on the server. Okay. Do not ever try it in on production. In the test lab, it's fine, but not in working in production. Yes, we can do, but out of the business hours means if the company time starts from morning 9 to 6, you need to do after 6 p.m. at least. Sorry, disconnected. Is it clear what I'm saying to you?
Yes, sir.
సో మన
Yes, sir.
కంపెనీలో ఏం చేయాలి ఎప్పుడు చేయాలి అన్నది చూసుకోవాలి మనకు వచ్చింది కదా ఎప్పుడు పడితే అప్పుడు చేయకూడదు ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఇట్ విల్
Yes, sir.
ఇంపాక్ట్ ద ప్రొడక్షన్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు డూ ఎనీథింగ్ do outside the business hours means if your company time starts from 9 to 5 do it 5 or 6. If you do it 10 a.m. in the morning, what happens? It will cause some slowness network issues in the production. Then they will ask why. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we already enabled the discovery. We not run the full. We'll wait for 5 minutes and see the log. Okay, whether it's running or not. Clear? Or we'll run for this time as it's a test. Right click, run discovery. Okay. Then I will open the log. The current time start 2:37. Once we run, it takes 30 seconds to 40 seconds in the backend for the activity. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Even the meeting is going to end in 2 minutes, so we'll reconnect back. See, it started at
Oh,
2:37. Okay, and let's say if you see here, 4 objects are found, right?
Yes, sir.
Total 4. What is the usernames here? Test 1 Narayana Mohan Reddy Ram, which is part of which OU? Hyderabad OU, right?
Hyderabad Bhaiya.
If I
Yes, sir.
open SCCM console, go to assets and complaints. Yes, but it takes some time because no log is updated. See here also it's updated. All users. Is it came?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes.
it user discovery is clear? Still doubts?
Yes.
Yes. No.
Still doubts?
No, sir.
Yes. Okay. Good. Let we reconnect back again.